So this is the pay tracker for sole proprietors. This has both simple and detailed versions. So if we wanted to just log a month like January with some made up numbers and say we made $20,000 in January at Hospital C, and at Hospital A we made $5,000, and we save those records, then it'll show up here in a monthly tax summary. $25,000 federal income and state income taxes to set aside. That's the simple version. If you wanted to see a more detailed version, it'll track it out by organization and give you a much more detailed monthly summary. It'll track out predicted versus actual earnings from the data that you entered in Predict Pay and let you compare how much you thought you were going to make with how much you actually made. And it builds out a mileage summary so that you have an automatic deduction built into your tax planner. Expenses and income adjustments. So you can set this up if you have a monthly recurring or you have a one-time thing. Let's say that you have another kind of insurance and you pay $200 a month and you paid it in January and you pay it every month. You can add that and it'll automatically take it out of your gross income. And same thing with income adjustments, above the line deductions. Let's say that you made an HSA contribution in January for $100 and you just made it that 1 month. You can add it and it will track your business expenses and income adjustments. The tax planner page does this by quarter, so you can see by quarter how much you owe. Has very detailed all the expenses and also estimated taxes by state based on where you said the states were in the organizations page. And then once you pay them, you can click that you paid them the amount you actually paid and the date you paid it, so that when you look at your but it estimates all for you. On the next page, I'll show you these codes which are down. You can look by quarter, you can look at your date, you can look by an individual month to measure if you're curious. Business expenses by month and income adjustment by month. Also record of what we've entered on your expense adjustment pages. You can see they're broken out by category. So I said that notice build mileage deduct automatically, either entering that or entering of your self-employment tax automatically doing it, so that you are built in. All of these are exportable as spreadsheets or CSV files. So for your end, you just download an Excel spreadsheet and send it off to a CPA or look at yourself. All the information will be here at the end of your year. And people who just want a simple version, you don't want to think about all this. This is a totally separate thing, but you can enter your pay the months in that order. It will just give you federal state taxes are due. This is all 5% assumption for a state and a tax of 30%, and give you a reasonable estimate of what you owe at the end of the month in that quarter. Same thing here is calculate I need $3,000 and I make $275 an hour. It works 2 hours. Very simple calculator. Simple for people who don't want all the detail. But if you want the detail,